Hello students and parents, welcome to this student best work video. This best work is belongs to the September month works. You improved this much level. It means this you are really talented. Okay, you are not only improved your sketching skill, along with your sketching skill, you improved your focus, your patience level and your creativity side. Okay, once this get increased, the same patience level, the same creativity mind will work for your other studies areas and personal life and other areas also. It's not like you will be patient only when you draw. You are learning, you are practicing the patience, you are practicing the focus, all the things, you are becoming more creative in these particular areas. The same things will be reflected on your other all the areas. Got it? What I'm saying? Very good, very good. How marks scored is a result of how well you are performing. Like this, the way you are developing your skill, this is the result for your creativity level. This is the result for your patience. This is the result for your focus, and this is the result for your action and your talent. Got it? You are very talented. Good. And same time, some of the students is learning and improving. You are in the path. Okay, you need to travel more to get the best result and the best improvement and all the things. This will happen to you. Everyone will draw better, everyone will improve, everyone will see your own art style and art talent in your own sketchbook. Definitely this will happen. Okay, congratulations, all the best. Thank you so much for you improving. Once you improved, I'm also will get a lot of confidence. Got it? And same time, this skill definitely will useful for your school subjects, projects, science drawing, physics drawing, those all the areas. Even if you're going for the higher studies for medical engineering, or if you're coming into the product design or gaming, fashion, those areas, definitely this skill is going to helpful lot. Especially if you're going for a degree for this design field side. They have entrance. The entrance 80% mark is belongs to sketching and creativity. You're already doing good. Okay, so make sure you'll go to the next level, improve and go to the next level, improve and go to the next level, improve, go to the next level and improve. If you are doing very well this much and it is the benchmark, you are touching it, then you can go for the next level to get into the advanced sketching and all the things. Same thing. Suppose some of you is new. Okay, first time you are watching these videos. If maybe you are not aware of my my class and all the things, I'll take 1 hour free demo class for all the students. Join the demo class. The link is given below in the description area. Join the free manga sketching demo class. So after attending the demo class, you can decide what batch based on the child interest and child age, how to join, all the things. Every single detail I'll be explaining it in the demo class. Okay, this video is mainly for to present my September month best student improvement artworks. Yeah, if you're new, if you want to join the demo class, you can join the demo class. If you're already my students, if you're doing it well, keep the consistency, you will get the best result. After getting the best result, you will be going to the advanced. After that, you will find your own style. After that, you will start creating it many things based on your own ideas and concept. Yeah, thank you so much. I feel very happy about your all the works. You are made it really nice. It looks so unique and so nice. I can sit and watch these works long time. Okay, I always will watch like this. Super mom, very good job, very good job, very good job. I'll see you on the next month success videos.